Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to help you better understand the cost included when buying a home, the next step in the home purchase process, and a great question to ask yourself after being pre-approved: how much are you comfortable affording? Now, when buying a home, some people like to really stretch their income and buy the most property for what they're spending. Others are a little more content. They buy for what they need and still have that leftover money for traveling, investing, and pleasure. You choose what's best for you. Now let's jump into some of the upfront costs. The first one being your down payment. Now your down payment is going to be roughly 20% of what you pay for the home, of what you're paying for the home. If you're going after a $900,000 home, $180,000 is going to be your down payment, which is going to be due within 3 days of closing escrow. Now, buyers beware. If you're putting in less than 20%, you will have to pay mortgage insurance, which is a monthly cost. Your second upfront cost is going to be your deposit. Now, your deposit is about 3% of your sales price. So if you're buying a home that's $900,000, $27,000 will have to be due within 24 hours of getting into contract. And the third upfront cost you're going to have to worry about is your closing cost. Now, as a buyer, you're not going to have a lot of them because thankfully the sellers take that all over, but you will have to worry about the city transfer tax, which is split 50-50 between buyer and seller. Now, let's jump into your monthly costs. The first one being your mortgage. Now, your mortgage obviously is determined by how much you put down and what you're getting as a loan. The more you put down, the less you have to pay a month. The second cost is your property tax. This is non-negotiable. This is a percentage of tax you pay depending on the state you live in. The third is going to be your homeowner's insurance, another non-negotiable must pay a month cost. Now, these are costs to consider when living in a home. Your first one being an HOA fee. Now, this depends on where you live. If you're living in a community, expect a monthly fee. This might have something to do with the amenities, garbage, water, or landscape. Next is going to be your utilities, your maintenance, and your furnishing. These costs all depend on the lifestyle you live. Now, we briefly touched this in a few videos in the past, but always expect the unexpected. Whatever you think can't go wrong in a home will probably go wrong in a home. So keep some extra funds to the side and make sure they're there to use when need be. I appreciate the time. Drop a comment below if you have any. Reach out if you have any questions. 408-888-9507, and I look forward to seeing y'all next week. Have a great day.